I've just heard you say that all maple trees have beautiful color during autumn, but our 30-year-old maple trees' leaves just shrivel up and turn brown. Our maple trees don't turn red in the fall. Should the pH of our soil be checked? Please advise. And this is Darlene. So Mary, you have anything? Any comments on that one?
Yeah, it could just be that the tree's getting old.
It could be.
Trees, like everything else, have a lifespan.
Yes.
And so sometimes as they get older, they're prone to developing some issues.
I would agree with that.
Yeah, like she said, maple tree, they lifespan is not. Some of them might not as long.
Right.
That could be the problem that they're getting old, and just stop producing those blooms on there. And sometimes maybe through a really drought, there might be some problem why they might not be able to put on there and so around there. But the age of the tree, and then look around the tree, look at a lot of branch on your maple tree, and see how they begin to look.
Right. Mm-hmm. That's what I would advise doing as well, because yeah, she said the leaves are shriveling up and they just turn brown. So I'm thinking, could it be a disease? Could it be wood borers? It is a 30-year-old tree.
Yeah.
So yeah, age is something I would be concerned about as well. If you want to check the pH, I mean, yeah, we're not going to say you can't. You definitely can. Go to your local extension office and get a soil test kit. But yeah, I'm thinking about that. And usually when you think about leaves turning colors, that has more to do with the temperature, the weather.
Weather, yeah.
So yeah, again, it's a 30-year-old tree. So there could be some issues. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.